Oh, good afternoon. Oh, I'm getting bit by wasps. Go away. Ah, fuck off. Good afternoon, YouTubers, subscribers. I'm down at sunny Bosherton this afternoon. I haven't long finished work, but yeah. Look at this. An absolutely beautiful day. About 5-6 o'clock. I'm getting attacked by wasps. Really? I was going to say, I'm actually surprised I don't see anyone surfing, but yeah, no one's going to surf on them waves, the ripples.